Hi children, how are you all? I hope all you are doing fine. So children, see here, in this video we are going to discuss the problems from ratio and proportion worksheet 1A. Okay, already worksheet 1 we completed, no? So here we will start that worksheet 1A. Okay, see here. So what is the first question what they given in that worksheet 1A? See here ma. If 800 rupees is increased, 800 rupees is increased in the ratio 7:4, is increased in the ratio 7:4, then the increased value is, so children see here, actually what they are saying, 800 rupees is there, 800 rupees is increased. Here the increased value, that is in the ratio 7:4. Okay, so here we can write this one as 800 plus x by 800. Why? Because here in that numerator how much added, that one we can take it as some x. Okay, so here 800 plus x by 800, so which is equals to 7/4, which is equals to 7/4. Okay children, see here ma, so take that just cross multiplication, so 800 plus x into 4, which is equals to 7 into 800, 7 into 800. From this one, 800 plus x is equals to 7 into 800 whole by 4, 4 ones and here 4 200s. Clear? From this one, 800 plus x is equals to, 800 plus x is equals to 7 into 200. 800 plus x is equals to, here 7 2s 1400. From this one, x is equals to 1400 minus 800. So x is equals to here 1400 minus 800 is equals to 600. So how much added here ma? X is equals to 600. Then the increased value they are asking. How much increased they are not asking here. Just they are asking what is the increased value here. Okay, which means 800 plus x value they are asking. 800 plus x value they are asking. So 800 plus x is equals to how much we are getting here, that is 1400. How much ma? 1400. Directly you can do like that, or else here 800 plus x is equals to here 600. So 8 plus 6 is equals to 1400. So what is that answer ma here? That is 1400. So which option is correct here? Yes, option B is correct. That is 1400. Clear? Yes. So let us see that second question ma. What is the second question here? Say that in a cultural program, we are having cultural programs, right? So here 24,000 children participated. So in that cultural program, how many people are participating here? 24,000 children were participating here. Okay, the children are divided into 3 groups. Okay, totally how many children are there? 24,000 children are there. These 24,000 children divided into 3 groups. Okay, and here group names also they given. Those names are A, B, C. Okay, 3 groups are there, and here what they are asking, ABC according to their ages, ABC according to their ages. So here totally 24,000 people there, 24,000 children there. Out of 24,000 children, they are divided into 3 groups according to their ages. Okay, as per their ages, here the groups are A, B, C. Clear? So from here, if A is to B is to C is equal to 2 is to 7 is to 6. 2 is to 7 is to 6. Then the number of children from group B. Then the number of children from group B. Understand? So here what is the ratio? 2 is to 7 is to 6. So here 2 is related to A, 7 is related to B, 6 is related to C. Now what they are asking here? How many people are there in that group B? How many people are there in that group B? So here total parts. Total how many parts are there here? They given that 2 is to 7 is to 6. So 2 plus 7 plus 6, which is equals to 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. 13 plus 2 is equals to 15. Total parts is 15. And here they are asking for that in that group B how many people are there. Group B, how many people are there? So here what is the ratio they given? 7 by total parts 15 into, here this is 24,000. 24,000. Clear ma? See here. 15 months. And here also 15 months, 15, and here 90 is there. So that's why here 15, 6, 90. Clear? And here 2 zeros. Understand? So B is equals to here 1600 into 7. Okay. So 16 into 7 is equals to how much ma? That is 102. So 102 and here 2 zeros there, no? So that's why here 2 zeros. Totally how many people are there in that group B? Totally 11,200 people there in that group. So which option is correct ma here? Option C. So children, here if they will ask that how many people are there in that group A, so at that cases how we can say that here in that group A, what is that part here? 2 parts. So 2 parts out of 15 parts, and here total number of children 24,000. So if you simplify this one, then you will get that number of children there in that group A. And in the same way, how many children are there in that group C? Okay, so C is related to 6, no, here 6 parts. So 6 parts out of 15 into 24,000. If you simplify this one, then you will get that how many people there in that group C. Okay, but here they asked here only how many people are there in that group B only. So that's why this is sufficient. Understand ma? So here what is that answer? Option C, that is 11,200 is that answer. Okay, clear. So next one, see here, third one. If Ramesh earns 1,26,000 rupees and pays an income tax of 18,000 rupees and pays income tax of 18,000 rupees, then the ratio of income to tax paid. Understand? So what they given here? Ramesh earns. So Ramesh's income. So what is that income here? That is 1,26,000. 1,26,000, and here pays an income tax. So how much he is paying here? Income tax. He is paying income tax, so that is 18,000 rupees. 18,000 rupees. Clear ma? What they are asking here? To find the ratio of income to tax paid. So income is 1,26,000 is the income, and here income tax is 18,000. Here we need to find the ratio of these two values. So 3 zeros and 3 zeros gets cancelled, and 126 is to 18 cancels by 9, so cancels by 2 9s, and here 263s, 9 months 9 sevens. So what is the ratio here? 7 is to 1. What is the ratio? Ratio of that income to tax paid. So that is 7 is to 1. Which one is the correct option here? Yes, option A is correct. That is 7 is to 1. Understand ma? Yes. See here question number 4. A mother divides 216 rupees. Mother divides 216 rupees among 3 sons. Among 3 sons. Who are those sons here? Gopal, Rama and Ravi. These 3 people are the sons of that A. Okay. So, a mother, sorry, here person name not given, no. If your mother divides that, one mother is there, she divides that 216 rupees among their 3 children. Okay, 3 children name, what are those ma? Gopal, Rama and Ravi. Okay, 3 people are there here. So, yes, in the ratio of their ages, okay, as per their ages she divided like that. So if their ages are in the ratio 2:3:4, so what is the ratio here they given? Ratio 2:3:4. Okay, so here younger kid is there, no, and in the same way elder kid also there. So like that way she divided 216 rupees among those 3 children. Okay, so here which part is that highest part? That part only having that highest amount, right? Okay, that's what they're asking here. Then the maximum amount taken by one of the son. Who took here maximum amount? So when you observe that ratio here 2:3:4, which one is the greatest one here? That is 4. So obviously here 4. Who is getting here 4 parts? That person only got that highest maximum amount, right? Among the remaining 2 children, he got that highest amount. Okay, maximum amount. So see here, this part amount we need to find out. So 4 by total number of parts. So 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. So 4 by 9 into total amount, how much more here? That is 216. Total amount is 216. Now cancel this one. Here 3 2s are 6 and here 3 7s 21 and 3 2s are 6. Clear? Or else directly you can do the cancellation. So here 36 times. Understand? So 36 into 4. See here, 4 parts out of 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 2, 9 into total amount is 216. 216 is the total amount. Clear? So here cancellations, cancelled by 3. 3 3 is 9 and here 3 7s 21, 3 2s are 6. Clear? And again cancellations by 3 1s, 3 2 6, 3 4s 12. So 24 into 4, which is equals to here 96 rupees. Okay, so here the highest maximum amount, who took that maximum amount here? That is the person, the last person who is getting that here 4 parts. Okay, so that person got that how much money here? That is 96 rupees. How much? 96 rupees. Clear ma? So which option is correct here? Option is B. Option B is correct here. Next, let us see that question number 5. So in that question number 5, what they are saying here? If present age of a father and a son, present age of a father and a son are 80 years and 56 years. So age of father and son. Age of father and son, here ages they given, no, how much my age is here? So F age is 80 years, father's age is 80 years and son's age is 56 years. Son age is 56 years. Now what they are saying? Then the ratio of their ages 40 years ago. 40 years ago, what are their ages? 40 years ago, father's age how much here? 80 minus 40. 40 years ago, which means back. Okay, not forward here. 40 years back. What is his age here? That is 80 minus 40 is equals to 40 years. Okay, that is 40 years back. Next, 40 years ago, son's age is 56 minus 40, which is equals to 16 years. 56 minus 40, 16 years. Now see here, what they are asking, what is the ratio of their ages? So F is to S, which is equals to here 40 is to 16. 40 is to 16. 2 20s, 2 8s 16. 2 40s, 2 4s 8. Sorry. 40 is to 16, 2 20s and 2 8s, 2 10s, 2 4s. So which is equals to here 10 is to 4. 10 is to 4. Again cancellation, 2 5s and 2 2s. So what is the ratio here? Ratio is 5 is to 2. Okay, so which option is correct now here? Option C is correct. So children, in this video we discussed up to 5 questions and in that next video we will discuss that leftover questions. Okay, thank you all.